A very good morning, students. Hope you all are safe and in good health. Children, we were in lesson number 4, The Ant and the Grasshopper. We have finished the whole lesson and today we have to do the exercises of the whole lesson. Let's discuss the exercises, but before that, let's quickly do the recap of the whole story of the ant and the grasshopper. Once there was an ant and the grasshopper. Both used to live in a field. They used to play and talk. One day, Grasshopper saw an ant was pulling grains of wheat one after another and carrying them to her house, which shows she was very hardworking. She is collecting food for the winter season, though winter season is 5 months away. Now page 18. On the other hand, we can see Grasshopper did not listen to the ant advice, just enjoying the weather and singing merrily to himself, thinking winter season is too far to come. Why to store food so early, he thought. He can collect food maybe some other day, and started singing again. But you know, children, what happened? Soon the weather changed. It became very cold. Now it was very difficult to go out of the house to find food. Now at last Grasshopper was in trouble. He had nothing to eat and was dying of hunger too. So he went to Ant's house and requested her to give him some food. Ant think about future, collected food on time because nobody knows what will happen next. Still Ant gave Grasshopper some food. Though Grasshopper was feeling bad that he did not listen to the ant, but what is the use of thinking now? When there was time, Grasshopper wasted the whole time just enjoying the pleasant weather, thinking that there is plenty of time. There is a great lesson to be learned from this story. Never waste your time. Do first that thing which is more important for you. Study is very important. Spend much time in study than watching cartoon and playing with mobile. That will not give you anything except your studies and obedience. I know parents keep asking you to study, but you just ignore. Never do that. Otherwise, your condition will be like grasshopper only. So children, you want to be like an ant or grasshopper? Of course an ant, but for that you have to work hard. And you know, hard work is the key to success. Hope you all have enjoyed the story and have learnt a great lesson. Now come to the exercise. Now this is your worksheet, children, and I have given for your homework only 2 questions. Question number 1, what does this story teach us? This story, Ant and the Grasshopper. Hard work is the key to success. So what lesson we have learned from this story? Hard work is the key to success. Question number 2, write G for the characteristic of grasshopper and A for the characteristics of ant in the boxes. Now A, lazy. Who was lazy? Grasshopper. So you will write G in the box. Then B, hardworking. Who was hardworking, children? Yes, ant. You will write A here. Then thinks about future. Who thinks about future? Ant. So that is why She collected food for the winters. A you will write in the box. Now D is happy in present. Who was happy in present? Grasshopper, enjoying the weather. And he was happy in present. He was not thinking at all about the future, what will happen in the future. And at last, he suffers. Now E, help others. Who help others? Ant. Then F, begs for help. Who asked for help? It was grasshopper. So your answer is G. Okay children, so this much will be enough for today. Now we'll be meeting maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then on Monday we'll be meeting, and till then take care and be good. Stay home, stay safe.